What's going on, everybody? Big T here, and today we got some Sword and Shield to get into. Got 6 packs here, kind of pulling out of the back stock. Pickings are still pretty slim out there, so figured I'd just start pulling out of what I got and go from there. So let's see how we do. Good card there. All right. Psychic Energy, a Rare Candy, a Lucky Egg, a Mantine, a Roselia, a Choodle, Blipbug, I got a Rhyhorn, Clobbopus, Whimsicott for the reverse, and the rare is a Boltund. Alright. Okay, next pack here. That's actually a good card. I've been trying to fiddling around with making a deck, electric deck, and seeing what we could do with the Boltund line there, him and Yamper. So, it's a good one to have. Right, Water Energy, a Big Charm, Seeking, it's a Wacky, Chinchou, Diglett, Ferroseed, Goldeen, a Roselia, the reverse is a Sizzlipede, and the rare is a Musharna, non-hollow. Okay. A Leaf Energy, Bead, a Raboot, Rare Candy, Rhyhorn, Rookity, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, reverse is a Galarian Lanoon, and the rare is a Roserade, non-hollow. Okay. Code card there. We got a Psychic Energy, a Vitality Band, a Haunter, the Wacky, a Galarian Ponyta, a Cottony, Scorbunny, a Silicobra, a Yamper, Goldeen for the reverse, and then a Zamazenta V, Gold Secret Rare. Let's go, baby. Oh, yes. That is awesome. Holy cow, look at that shine. Nice. Wow, that's freaking sweet. Okay. I have not pulled that one yet, so that's a sweet card there. I love the gold on there. Code card there. Alright, let's see. Lightning Energy, a Salazzle, a Metal Saucer, a Rotom Bike, Wooloo, Shelter, a Krogunk, Silicobra, Mincino, reverse is a Dottler, and the rare is another Boltund. Okay, well, I definitely could have 4 of them in that deck now, that's for sure. Okay, not too bad. Alright, last pack here. See what we get. Code card there. Dark Energy, I almost said metal. Okay, Raboot, Sudowoodo, a Hop, a Rhyhorn, Clobbopus, Goldeen, Roselia, a Ghastly, the reverse is a Rhyhorn, and the rare is a Ninetales. Okay, so you know what? Sword and Shield, that's okay. 2 Boltunds, add to the deck for me, okay? And then the Zamazenta V, Gold Secret Rare. Alrighty, 212, or what is that? Yeah, 212 out of 202. Gosh, that's a beautiful card. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. See you next time.